Hey guys, just wanted to pop on here real quick to say thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers. Today, we're going to replace this bit of frustration on that old black piece of crap truck I got out back. This broke just trying to turn the other day. I was trying to film a commercial. So we're gonna have to go change this out in the dirt real quick. Hopefully this goes quick. I've never seen a Pitman arm with the ball joint integrated into it. Kind of frustrating. I thought I was just going to need the tie rod ends. Now we got to replace the whole unit. So let's get after that. I think I got everything we're going to need. Here's the culprit right here. That thing just broke. I wasn't even like getting tough with it or anything. It just snapped. I didn't even hear it break, honestly. I was just like, why is it not turning? Alrighty, this is enjoyable. I can't even get a socket in here. I doubt we're going to be able to get a puller in there. Let's just try to put a crescent wrench on it, see what happens. Let's get this skid plate out of the way. We got some room in here now. Let's see what we can do. Huh, that was almost loose. Wouldn't it be great if this just fell off? That'd make me very happy. Because I don't think the puller's gonna fit on here. Yeah, see that doesn't really have a chance. And that doesn't really fit around there great, if at all. That kind of works, kind of. I kind of lost faith there for a second. Look at this go. That's just okay. Broken pieces up. Let's see about this piece. Are we gonna get as lucky? I forgot we could get this in here. Look at that. Amazing when you have the right tool. Alright, nailed it. That's done. If it looks like I'm doing a half-butt job on this and like I don't care about it, you know, like I'm not putting that skid plate back on, it's because I don't care about it. This truck doesn't even have reverse and nothing in it really works. I bought this for the engine, which I'm going to put in that someday. But today we're going to film the commercial with this truck. Check out this off-road recovery rope I got from Truck and Tow. This thing is 1.5 inches by 30 feet long. Look at that bad boy. This thing will hold back 74,000 pounds braking strength. Will it hold 1,500 horsepower? Let's find out. Well, I'm sold. 1,500 horsepower, no problem. Check it out in the description.